Every human wants my completion to be resolved. No one wants me to be in pressure all the time. If you want trouble to be solutions, go what to do for it. One name of Allah is Al-Jabbar. By the way, there is benefit in every name of Allah and there is a lot of reward. Al-Jabbar is a very dear name of Allah, and whoever calls by this name, Allah solves his all trouble. It means the creator of corrupted work, the compeller, the restorer. While your problems are nothing to Allah, Allah can solve everything because God is the creator. He owns the entire universe. If a person has become a victim of any wrongdoing, so he in this name of Allah seek help from the name of Al-Jabbar. A person who calls for help in the other name of Allah, Allah likes that person very much. Prophet ﷺ used to use the names of Allah. If a person is slow in prayer, Fajr prayers is not being offered, pray to Allah by referring to this Al-Jabbar name, that Allah will comfort me and pray. Then surely Allah will accept his dua. If you call on the names of Allah, then Allah likes it very much. Allah says that it knows me. Allah says it knows my name. Similarly, if many ways of your life have been closed, there is a name of Allah which will open every path of your life, and that name is Al-Fattah, the opener, the solver, the victory giver, path opener. If the way of substance is blocked, add this name resource. When everything is blocked, it is Allah can open it. If there is any problem in life, then ask Allah for his helper. Allah loves such a person who invokes the name of Allah and then you believe in it very strongly. And some people have so much faith in Allah that whatever they ask, Allah answers their prayers, never waste. Yes, it may be late, but He keeps on giving. Never be disappointed in His character. I myself have testified that whatever I have asked from Allah with a sincere heart, I have received it. When you have decided that the giver belongs only to Allah, then you will not have any problem. Ask for even the smallest thing from Allah. Allah Almighty says, I am as my servant expect of me. I am with him as he remember me. If he remember me himself, I will remember myself. We should always pray that Allah shows us the straight path and does not lead us astray.